So, Casterman, he sent me an axe. It's a Casterman Classic because I was his 100th subscriber. And it's just a gift to me. And he, this is his best one that he made, so I'm going to take good care of it. And we're going to do an unboxing. So, yeah. We're going to open the heavy end first.
All right. Let's open it up. Are you excited, Charlie?
Yeah. Inside is red. Red stuff. Like red tape. This is a piece of what I'm going to chop it with. Oh, there's a note.
There's a note. Let's see, hold on.
How pages is that? Hold on.
Okay, Charlie.
So, this is what it looks like. It's a note. Okay. So, hi Charlie. Well, if you're reading this, your axe is here. It took me a while to get it sent, but it made it. The handle is the first handle off of
The win. Off of my handle production line. Number one. Number one, Charlie. Wow.
You, Dad, helped me pick out the head. It's for splitting. It's really, really, really sharp. It's not
It's nothing
to be
scared about.
About.
Casterman, you got her packed up, buddy. You rock.
A sharp axe is safe and will get the work done which faster. I have faith for Dad will show you how to use this tool. If you take any of it, it should last a lifetime, just to be sure. If anything happens to it, send it to me and I will fix it. That's a promise.
That's a promise.
I think a lot of you and your dad. You guys are helping folks just by doing things.
Turn it over. Thanks, Casterman. You're helping Charlie with her reading too, buddy.
You and
I love it.
Dad, hanging out on the woods deck, or at the spirit fire. It is a really great thing. Keep it up, and know
And know we're out here cheering you guys on.
love you. Love to to
What? Love to you and your dad.
and your dad.
P.S. Thanks for being my 100th subscriber.
Casterman.
What do you say?
Thank you.
All right, Charlie. I'm going to let you show everybody what this is all about. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh, man.
Look at that.
Oh, my God. Casterman Classic. What else does it have on there, Charlie? Hold it down. Hold it down. Come back here. Hold it. There you go. Turn it sideways. Be careful with that blade. It is sharp. Oh my gosh. Look at that big old pawl on there. Man, that's beautiful, brother. Oh my gosh. More awesome work from Casterman. Look at that. Hold it like that, Charlie. You see that profile? Back up just a little bit. Look at that. Oh man, that's gonna be a wood smasher.
Yeah.
Goodness sakes. I want to look at it a little bit more, Charlie.
Got my dirt bike boots on because we're going dirt biking today.
What's your look, go get your husky.
Okay.
Wow. That is beautiful. Beautiful, brother. Oh my goodness sakes, that's so nice. That handle's perfect, buddy. That handle is perfect. There's something else that you got to see, Charlie.
Huh. It says little Taz
You
on
want
it.
to show them?
Yeah.
Careful with the sharp end.
It says little Taz on it.
Oh, I love it. How's it? Let's see how it compares in length to your husky.
Oh, the husky's taller.
It's a little bit, it is.
Just
Well,
a
not
little.
really though. If you use that palm swell the right way. All right, well, I guess we're gonna give the first one to Charlie. That is just absolutely awesome. I can't even believe it.
I like it.
I love it. Charlie loves this.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now you understand now. That's wood.
Uh-huh.
That's not.
Uh-huh.
So we got to have our swing on the money.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And hit the wood.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Breaking it in. Let's see what's up. It's broke. One hit. Huh? Did you see that? Did you see it pop out? It didn't stick.
No, it didn't.
It didn't stick.
Nope.
You don't have to hit it as hard, Charlie. You don't have to hit that as hard.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
You don't have to hit it hard. Just split it. It's good wood. Look at that. Look at that. I wonder if it will stick. No, it don't. It doesn't. It doesn't stick.
That's cool, actually.
That's what you want right there. Look at that.
We have our wood pick, so it doesn't matter.
Oh my gosh, Charlie. Is there anything else you want to say?
Thank you, and thank you for watching. And I hope you guys are having a good day so far. It's just in the morning. Oh. Okay.
Let's try something a little bit bigger, huh? This is Douglas fir. Like I said, Charlie, you don't have to. That thing's gonna split. It's not gonna stick.
partially split.
One more tap. Look at that. That's unbelievable. Awesome. Anything else you want to say, Charlie?
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what's your favorite video. And don't forget to put on that notification bell.
Thanks for joining us in this awesome unboxing.
It's a nice axe.
It's a wonderful. I'm not even going to get that out. This is amazing. Charlie's first real wood-handled axe. Casterman, I can't thank you enough, man. This is a lifetime of memories right here that Charlie's going to make with this axe. It's awesome. And when she starts falling trees, you'll probably get to see this in action, because it also has an amazing wedge banger pole. This is just awesome. This is just awesome. And yeah, I'm pretty sure we're going to use this, but we're only going to use it in good wood, good splitting wood. We're going to use this. We're going to take care of it. And yeah, it's unbelievable. Thanks everybody again for watching. We love you. Everybody take care and be safe. Go out and help somebody. Do something. All right? Take care. TazMan
and Widow Taz
are rolling. This is what we got in store for later. Yeah. All right, everybody. Be kind.
Make sure you subscribe.